Hello YouTube, want to do a quick video talking about a mod that you can do for your 2008 through 2012 or possibly other models of Toyota Tundra or Sequoia. So we have two Sequoias and one Tundra, and I've got this mod on one of the Sequoias and the Tundra. So I recently purchased this to get it on to the other Sequoia that we bought last fall. So what this mod is that there's a replacement oil filter housing that you can get to replace the stock one, which is plastic, and this one is actually made out of metal. So let's go ahead and break it open. Get this tape off. So what this housing is made out of aluminum, and what you would do is you take your stock one off. Again, it's plastic, and I hate that plastic material. What you would do is you would transfer the little cap from your stock cap and move it on over here. Typically what you normally would do is purchase one of these guys, and I got this originally to be able to take the housing off, the plastic one, and I really hated it because it's a big pain in the butt to just get it aligned and screw it, and there's just another thing that you have to deal with. So I did purchase this guy, and then I got rid of it and I don't use it anymore. So pretty much what I did is the little cap that comes with on your original housing, I transferred it over in here, and I tightened it really hard. So now if I want to take the filter off out of the vehicle, all I do is I get the wrench and the ratchet, and I can just get it off. This whole housing comes off. I don't need to use an adapter for it. So I never really take this cap off to drain the fluid, because what you're supposed to do is in an oil filter kit, they give you one of these little doohickeys here. What you're supposed to do is when this is on the car, you would take the cap off. Nothing would drain out because it's under some tension. But what you would do is you would screw this in with the hose attached. You would screw this in, and it would drain any kind of excess oil from the cap, so when you remove it, it doesn't go everywhere. I don't really deal with that. I don't want to deal with that. I don't mind getting a little bit of oil, so I never use this. I usually just throw this out. But what I do is this cap is attached, I unscrew it, this whole housing comes off, a little bit of oil sprays a bit. I don't mind it because I make a little bit of a mess afterwards anyway. So this whole housing comes off with a filter, the dirty one. So it comes off, spills just a little bit, not a lot, and I take the old filter off, put a new one on, replace the seals that go along the edge here, right over here. Replace the seals, and I put it back on, screw it on, and I just do just a little bit of tightening with the ratchet. I never over tighten it. You don't really need to put too much tension on it. So tighten it up, and that's it, and that's all I do. Makes it a lot easier, and I just prefer to have a metal piece instead of plastic. I'm not sure why they would put a janky little plastic material for something that could be easily replaced with a cheap aluminum part. So this is the housing here. That's the part number, if you can see it. It's 15620-31060. Purchased it on eBay. It runs about 18 bucks, and probably the cheapest, coolest mod that you can do for your vehicle. It's a genuine Toyota part, and again, that's a easy replacement for a stock cheap plastic piece that they put on there. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, hopefully this helps you guys out, and if you like this video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Have a great day. Bye.